Hi, good morning! Welcome to Sidar Houseland Subic. So I'm Maan Sarmiento from MP Realty at lika tingnan natin kung gaano rin kaganda ang ating Sidar. So lika, pasok tayo. Welcome to Sidar. So itong ating living area. Much smaller siya than Sage, pero as you can see, spacious pa rin ang living area at pwede pa rin mag-enjoy ang family. So this is our dining. As you can see, 6-seater for our dining. At on our left naman is meron tayong access palabas going to our lanay. Dito naman located yung ating powder room, right beside lang ng stairs natin. And this is naman our beautiful kitchen. So spacious siya, makikita natin na L-type ang design ng ating kusina. And then sa Sidar, meron din tayong spacious na one room with own toilet and bath. So ito maganda to for the elderly. Pwede nyo itong i-convert as utility or office space. From our kitchen, meron tayong access para sa ating utility area or dirty kitchen. Very spacious din siya. Makakaikot tayo sa ating buong bahay since detached nga ito. Tara, akyat naman tayo sa taas. So, ang gustong-gustong feature dito yung high ceiling natin na pwede kang maglagay din ng chandelier. We have bedroom 1, which is the master's bedroom. So, very spacious. Kasya ang queen size bed. At meron din siyang sariling toilet and bath. At para naman kay Kuya, meron tayong bedroom 2. So, meron din tong sariling toilet and bath. At, ang pinakalas para kay ate, meron din tayong bedroom 3 with own toilet and bath din. At dito naman located ang ating parking area. So malawak siya, kasyang-kasya pa rin ang dalawang sasakyan. This is Maan Sarmiento from MP Realty. I'm willing to assist you to find your dream house. So lika, bisitahin na natin at magkaroon kayo ng magandang unit dito sa Houseland Subic. God bless everyone! See you soon!